Well, I would say the experience has been fairly positive. This is not the first time we are participating. This is the second time already in a major way. So the overall experience was quite, I would say, rewarding in the sense we came across a number of new customers. We came across a lot of people who were looking to invest in new territories, technology areas. So from these 2 points of view, it has been phenomenally good. Then of course the other aspect with Iptex is this is a very social event. So you come across a lot of your existing customers, your old friends. So that's the third aspect which really makes this very interesting. Well, the new people are the people who want to get into transmission gearbox manufacturing, or maybe someone who is trying to get into a component manufacturing business. For instance, you have a lot of companies who are manufacturing industrial gearboxes. Then there are guys who really want to invest, just buy one machine and start supplying gears of very good quality. We are talking probably DIN quality 4 or 5 or 3 to these aggregate manufacturers. So these are the people who are coming to us and with whom we are establishing a new relationship. Hitherto unknown, but probably during these 3 days, we meet them, we come across them, we exchange ideas, information. So this is what I meant. It's a very interesting point. Why? Because the first time Iptex was pitched to me as an area where power transmission gearbox manufacturing companies are participating in a big way. And if I look at the stalls, I see some major presence from Shanti Gears. I see Bonfiglioli. Leaving aside these two, when I look around, I see a lot of machine tool manufacturers. So it's not so much of a power transmission exhibition. It's more a machine tool exhibition. The character seems to be slowly changing, which is, I'm not complaining about it. I'm saying it's a good thing. It's evolving. So this basically means we need to ask ourselves, do you as the organizer have to probably look at an area which is much bigger, where you can say, okay, a certain minimum number of gearbox manufacturers anyway has to participate. So they occupy a certain amount of space, and then you say, okay, I need to now have the machine tool manufacturers. I want to have more of them. So this is probably something which I can propose as an improvement. In the sense, more participation of gearbox guys, more participation of machine tool guys, which would probably require a little bit bigger exhibition space. Well, I really do not think just by being here in any particular way we stand out. We stand out because of our products, our services, and the innovations which we make. So from that perspective, my answer would be no. But there were a few things which we could really do during the course of this exhibition, which I think really help us to stand separate or at a different level as compared to competition. Would be the innovations we have made on our measuring machines. Some of the very advanced analysis softwares which we could show to our customers, which identifies noise behavior of a gear in a gearbox. You can analyze the gear and already predict what would happen when this gear is set in the gearbox. So the customer has the tremendous advantage that a fault is, or the red flag is already raised at the component level, rather than when it is in service. So the customers to whom we had introduced this, they were very appreciative of this, and we really think that with this software innovation, we have really put ourselves in a higher pedestal as compared to the rest.